Here we are at Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. So in a couple minutes, we're gonna be walking down there. And this right here is the view when you eat your breakfast. We've got off the ship and we're gonna be walking down there to downtown Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. If you don't want to walk, you can take one of those. I'd rather just walk and get the exercise from all the food I can eat from the buffet. We are at Taino Bay, Puerto Plata, and then here is the main shopping area. Here's the map of Taino Bay if you want to pause the video. Oh wow, it's a parrot. Oh wow. Okay, let's keep walking. There's a cruise ship that we were just on right at the beginning of the video. I was up there. And here's the taxi area to see how much it costs to get to the airport. This is where we were. Taino Bay. There's so many taxi drivers. There's so many taxi drivers there just waiting to pick up tourists. Here they have a lazy river. It goes all across the area, it comes back here. Here there's something called the splash surfing. And this is all free. Everything here is free. Hey. So that was basically our tour of Taino Bay, Puerto Plata. Here's the map of Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. The shopping plaza, the map. You can pause it if you like to see activities you like to do. Look at the view right here, the ocean view balcony.